These are the pages that I am talking about for today's video. They're blank and you could do whatever you choose to in them. This particular life planner is my work, and I'm going to put this one to the side. I'm going to see if I could get to this one today, but I'm not sure. I might only be able to get to this one right here, which is my main planner, and this one is my daily duo. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. If this is the first time you are stopping in, I'm Tina. Thank you so much for spending some time here with me today. All right, so for the daily duo, since the daily duo is split into 6 months into one planner and 6 months into the other, there's only one page here. Now on the opposite side is the 6-month overview for the remainder of 2024. And what I want to do is I want to decorate the top here. And I think I'm going to do this like together across the top because I want it to look like cohesive across the top here. So I am definitely going to be doing that today. Let me first start off by sharing with you how I like to use these pages. I do like to date the boxes for each month. So this one's going to be starting July, August, September, October, November, December. And I will put things in here that I need to do for each month. So every month is going to be a little bit different. I like to put a little reminder for myself to check on birthdays. And then I also do jot down like some birthdays on here, like family birthdays, and any important events that are happening in that particular month, and any bills that need to be paid for that month that are only like annual or biannual type of bills. So first, I like to split the box up because I want to have 2 columns in each month. All right, so I did some pre-planning here already. I put the dots here in the middle to go ahead and mark the center. And I'm going to use this pen right here. This actually is got a really fine tip. I like it. It's kind of a little bit lighter in color. So all I'm going to do here is line up these dots, and then I'm going to make sure that I am just drawing the line from the heading to the bottom. So I don't want to go through the heading of the box. So here is that one right there. I went a little far, so I have to be careful the next time. And this time right here. All right, see here, I went just a little bit too far. So let me fix that. I think I could cover that up with a little white out there. Here we go. All right, so that is that half. And now let's get, whoops, let me get the other half here. I'll try to do it a little bit more carefully so I don't run into the same problem. And I'm just following the little tiny dots. So I made them really light on here because I wanted to have that, like already measured. So that way I wasn't wasting time with that. But I also wanted to show you how I like to do this. All right, yay. All right, so I did that correctly. So that is great. Okay, the next thing I want to do is cover up this top portion here because I am going to add some decorative stickers here. And I like what it says, but again, I want to add my own decoration. I'm going to do this side too because, like I said, I want this to be like cohesive all the way across. So I am just going to get this covered up and decorated across the top here. Okay, so let me open this up now because now I really do want to see like the full thing. I'm going to actually make it a little bit more even. So I'm going to open it up like that. All right. Now, I'm going to be using RONGRONG's Planner Babe sticker book. I have a lot of pages that are already done in this planner that I actually moved in here. I have a video where I uncoiled this and then added some things in and then recoiled it back. So if you're curious to see how I did that, I will go ahead and attach that here for you. But I want to use the same like stickers in here, and I want to use some florals across. And then I also have this washi tape, so I think that that will work, because I'm thinking I'll put the washi tape like across here and maybe some florals in the corner. So I was thinking that I could use this one. This is a possibility, unless I just do like the flowers in the corner here and in the corner, and then have it kind of have like the washi in the center. That's another option. So I'm thinking if I use this one, I can have one here and maybe cut this floral out. Okay, so let me see how that works out. I think that's what I'm going to do. So let's see. Let me see what I could do here. So I'm just kind of cutting around this one. Okay, so now I have like those two. Okay, I think that that will work. Okay, so let me flip this around. I think I'm just going to lay these down first, and then I will add the washi. So I'm bringing this like up to the edge here. Okay, that's good, because then it doesn't like completely come down into the box. And I'm going to grab this one. Now this one I'm going to have to cut because I have that coming over here. So let me, yeah, I'm going to have to bring it up a little bit, because otherwise that rose is going to end up covering up September, and I don't want that. Okay, so here I'm going to cut it on the edge here by the tab. There we go. And then I'm going to trim off this little excess here that I have hanging off here. I think that should be good. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. Okay, I like that. However, I don't like that this is hanging over, so let me get rid of that little piece. There we go. And now I'm going to just add the washi in here. And let's see. I don't know if I want the whole thing. Maybe I do. Maybe I want the wide look here. All right, so now I'm just going to kind of cut around the flower here, so that way I could pull that like washi that's kind of like overlaying the flower. Cut that off, hopefully, relatively easily. There we go. Yeah, I think I like the full thing there. I think that's cute. All right, let me get the other side done the same way. Sometimes I like to have like the torn washi look, and then sometimes I'll just let it be. So I think this is good here. So I'm just gonna cut around. Like that. There we go. All right. Okay, so that looks cute. Now I feel like maybe I'll add a little bit of deco on there. All right, so I definitely want this girl here. I think she's really cute. I'm just going to cut off the bottom edge because I think I want her bumped against the bottom of the page. And in order to do that, I don't want to have that little extra there, but I do want to cover up the lines because I really don't like when the lines like come shadowing through. All right, design the life you love. I like that. That looks really cute. All right, now I'm going to put in a couple of other little elements here. I really like the glasses. I think that that's cute. Let's see here. And the Planner Babe coffee mug, like right here. Okay, and then I'm going to grab a couple of these little paper stickers because I want to bring them up at the top here, and the paper is nice because then it will like cover up the washi. So I'm thinking like right up here. It's kind of cute. And then this one will go like right here. Yeah, I like that. That is very, very cute. Okay, now the next thing that I want to do is I want to add some shading to these boxes because I don't want them just to be blank. And then I'm going to be adding in some monthly stickers. So I have some right here, and these I'm getting from the Calva Plan Dated Basics. I know she put this one out a little while ago. Yeah, it's been already 2021. So this one's already been out for a little while. I'm sure she has something similar. And I like these right here. And I have like, it's like perfect because I have the last 6 months, July through December. So I'm going to put them there. But like I said, I want them to have a little bit of color on the boxes themselves. So I grabbed these Tombos and I thought that I would use these. So I have 4 of them here, but I think I'm just going to pick 3 of them. And then that way I have like a total of 6. So I'll have like duplicates of the colors that I use here. But I want to check these colors out and make sure that I'm happy with them. So I have a little key here that I created for myself for my Tombos. It just makes my life so much easier. So I want to pick, so I definitely want 942 because that is going to be a good color. And then let's see, I have 800 and then 850. And yeah, 761 has got a little bit too much pink in there, so I'm going to omit this one. So these are the 3 colors that I want to use. So let me go ahead and close this up here. And all I'm going to do is color in the heading boxes before I lay the stickers down. All right, I like the way that that looks. Let's open it up because I like to see the full thing. Yeah, that looks really nice. Okay, perfect. Okay, so these I am done with. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put in my dates. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in my boxes. So I'm going to grab the planner for this year, and I'm going to just transfer these items into these boxes here. All right, so I went ahead and I entered in everything that I needed to for the remainder of the year. And these are things that are specifically just happening like within these particular months. So I do like to put a little bit of a reminder here for myself to check whatever birthdays are within the month beside the family and really close friends. So that way I just remember to wish people happy birthday. And then I also have different things that are pertaining just like to this particular month. So planning back to school for my nephew, I usually like to try to like pick him up some clothes for school, that type of thing, and help out my sister-in-law with maybe school supplies. And then any particular like bills that might just be due like on the like these specific months. For example, like November, our car insurance happens to be for both of our cars happens to be due that month. So just those are the things that I like to put in here along with what I'm going to be planning for. So for example, like in September, I will start decorating for Halloween. And then in November, I will decorate for Christmas. And then in December, I start planning my nephew's like birthday celebration with his mom, of course, and because his birthday comes up in January, so things happen, you know, relatively quickly. So these are reminders for myself, so that way I remember to start working on these things like well enough before they are actually like due. So that is how I use the boxes in this planner right here. Now this one right here, I will go ahead and create a key. I'm not quite sure what it is that I want to put in here. Maybe holidays, birthdays, anniversaries. I was putting my husband's like days off in here, but I will have to hold off on that for right now because currently I don't have that information. So I will see how I go ahead and like put the key together for this one, but I will be using these like little clear transparent stickers. These are from Erin Condren, and I really like these. They come in multicolor square sheets. There's 3 sheets. So there's this one, which is colorful. And then there's this one, which is more of like a pastel colors. So I'll probably grab like the colors that kind of like coordinate in here, or use these, which are these metallic ones, which these are pretty cool, these foiled ones. So I have to figure out my key first, and then I will go ahead and fill these pages out. Not sure if I will end up doing this like on YouTube, like filming it for YouTube. But once I'm done with the planner completely, then I will go ahead and do like a complete flip through of it. So that way you could see exactly how it is like set up for like July and ready to go. All right, so that is going to be it for today's video. I thought I'd have more time to do these boxes, but I'm going to talk about these in a separate video. That way there's just like not too much information going on all in like one video. But I will be doing this next. So if you want to see how I set up the boxes in my work planner, make sure that you are subscribed to me and you hit the notification bell. That way you will see anytime I post, and you'll be able to check out the videos as they become available for you. I am an Erin Condren affiliate, so if you are doing any shopping, I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. I do have that down below, and thank you so much to those of you that have already used it, and thank you so much for thinking about using it on your next purchase. And if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I already reminded you to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and drop me a comment down below. I would love to know how you use your pages that have your boxes. What do you put in those boxes? Or maybe you not sure, and hopefully maybe you got some ideas for yourself. If you found this useful and you know that someone else would enjoy this video as well, please remember to share it with them. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.